Hey guys, Jam here, and today I'm going to share with you how I do my weekly meal plan. But before we get started, I would like to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and to those of you who are visiting for the first time. If you enjoy planning, budgeting, and home management videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell so you never miss an upload. So let's go ahead and get started with the meal plan. In order to do this, the first thing I do is shop my house first. I go through my pantry, refrigerator, and freezers to see what we already have on hand, what things need to be circulated out, and what things need to be replenished. So from there, I see what we have. I look through different recipe books, Pinterest. I go online just to see, what meals I can make that using the items that we already have on hand. And from there, I write it down, and then I get a yay or nay from my husband, and then after that, I'll create my grocery list and I'll go to the grocery store. And for the most part, I am sticking with my $30 budget per week, but sometimes I go over. It's okay, I'll just take it from the next week. And I just try to be super duper conscious with the last 2 weeks because I want to make sure I'm able to fill in all the things that we do need. I only plan our dinners for the most part. For breakfast, we do our breakfast burritos, and for lunch we normally do leftovers or we'll do a sandwich. For the meals this week, I already plan stir fry with lo mein, and then on Tuesday we're going to do tacos with nachos and cheese. Wednesday we have chicken marsala. With rice, broccoli. Oh, it's either going to be a leftover day. Oh, I'm sorry, leftover night. Or we're going to do takeout. And when we do takeout, we normally take the money from our entertainment fund. Like, I've just been really having a taste for some homemade chicken noodle soup. So even though we have like chicken marsala here, and then we're gonna have chicken noodle soup, it's cool because with this weather, you guys, I just been feeling like some nice soothing comfort meals, and I think this is going to do it for me. We'll do another leftover or a free for all, a takeout sandwich. It will probably be another leftover / takeout night. When I first started meal planning, I had something for every night, and it seemed like I was end up wasting a lot of meals because we just didn't eat all of the food before I was making something else. So even though it's 3 leftovers / takeout nights, it's probably ended up going to be 2 leftover nights and then 1 takeout. But that's what we normally do, just to give me a break from cooking every day and making sure that we're eating all the food in the house before I make something else. So with the stir fry and lo mein, we have the meat that we're going to use. I think we're going to use shrimp. We have the shrimp, we have the lo mein, we have the veggies. For tacos, we need some things for that. So I'm gonna write on the back. And I plan to go to 2 stores because I haven't found some wraps that I like from Aldi. So I'm gonna get my wraps. And then my lettuce, like the lettuce from Wegmans is like 99 cents. We need taco seasoning. And sour cream. Tortillas. These are all the items that I need from the grocery store in order to replenish what we ran out of and to complete our meals for the week. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the grocery store, and then I'll share with you guys how much I spent after I get back. I'm gonna just show you the few things that I purchased from Wegmans first, and then I'll go ahead and show you the things I got from Aldi. Alright, so I got my eggs, and Aldi didn't have any lemons, but I got this one. And I got some salad, 99 cents. This was an impulse purchase, but I was kind of needing some chocolate, some brownie mix. So I'm going to make up some brownies. I got some walnuts in the pantry. Yes, bake that up tonight, have it with some ice cream. And my husband and I are going to finish watching Ocean's 8 with our brownie and ice cream. And he asked me to get him some pizza. Like, I think this is what actually put me over the top of my budget, but it's all good. These are my favorite wraps that I get from Wegmans. I've tried other stores, but they failed me, so I just I just continue to get them from Wegmans, and I use these to make my breakfast burritos every week. And if you haven't checked out that video yet, go ahead through my little videos and check that video out. Budget friendly, easy when you're on the go. Go ahead and get you a breakfast burrito, pop it in the microwave for 2 seconds, and you're good. But yeah, I got some apple juice, and I got some orange juice. Oh, I got these from Aldi. I got some apple juice and some orange juice, and all these other things that I'm going to show you is from Aldi. This nice big bag of goodies here. So I got some bread, some broccoli, some tortilla chips, some egg noodles. I think I opened them. Some celery, sour cream, some turkey ground sausage, breakfast sausage, taco seasoning, some heavy cream. I got some chicken broth, some brown sugar. We were running low on our brown sugar, so I went ahead and grabbed some more. Applesauce. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but the kid has been like loving applesauce lately. So I just try to keep it on deck, because whenever he doesn't eat anything else, we just try to give him like applesauce, grapes, or bananas, something to help fill his belly a little bit. So yep, I like to keep these in the pantry. And another thing that he absolutely loves is corn. I don't know what it is, but he loves corn, so we try to keep some in the house, whether it's canned or frozen. And this go round, I just decided to get canned. No particular reason. And then I got some refried beans, some baking soda. I got some K-cups. Well, not K-cups, Aldi, whatever their cups are, for coffee. And it's dark roast. I've been having struggles with my coffee, y'all. Like, I've been trying to get like the cheap coffee, and it has not been like working for me. I really wanted to get, like, what is it called, Donut Shop, but Donut Shop is not in the budget. It's like $8, and then this was like, I think $3 and some change. So yeah, this was $3.69. So hopefully this one works out for me, because I just can't be purchasing $8-9 K-cups. No. So, and the last thing I purchased was these diced tomatoes with green leches. Oh, I'm sorry, green chilies. So I thought about changing up my breakfast burritos a little bit, because I was getting a little bored, and putting some extra little stuff in it. So I was thinking about putting this in here just to give it another little kick, a little change, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll put in a few of them, and then I'll leave it out the rest of them just to like see how it goes. I'll let you know how it goes. As you see, for Wegmans, I only spent about $11.23. On that. And then with Aldi, there had to be an adjustment to my purchase, because I accidentally picked up the organic broccoli instead of picking up the regular broccoli. It was $1 difference. The organic broccoli was $2.35 and the regular broccoli was $1.35. She made the adjustment and then gave me like $1 back. I actually spent $22.22 at Aldi. The grand total is so I spent $33.45 this week grocery shopping, and I am over by $3.45, but I'm just gonna take it from the next week and then try to make some adjustments where I can stay on budget. Alright guys, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked it, go ahead and like that button for me, and I'll see you on the next video. See you guys. Bye.